Presumably, life on Earth originated somehow. This isn't a foregone conclusion, by the way. There is a serious theory called panspermia that life on Earth was seeded by spores of life from somewhere else in the universe. It's not so far-fetched an idea as it might seem, but it doesn't really address the problem of the origin of life per se. So we come back to the question, how did life originate, whether here on Earth or somewhere else? How did this happen? The question of the origin of life has attracted enormous intellectual energy and creativity, but most of it has been focused on understanding how the complex systems of chemical reactions, replication, and information transfer that characterize life originated from the comparatively disorganized and disorderly physical world. We can characterize these efforts as bottom-up scenarios for the origin of life. Although many of these scenarios are very ingenious and at least plausible, none have provided a convincing explanation for life's origin. If we take a thermodynamic approach to the origin of life, however, we begin to see why these bottom-up scenarios have mostly failed. In the series of lectures to follow, we'll explore many of these ideas about bottom-up theories for the origin of life. As you watch the lectures to follow, I would like you to keep a few things in mind. First, what are the statistical probabilities that the complex and interwoven nature of modern life could arise spontaneously? Second, which origin are we really trying to explain? Is it the origin of the gene, or is it the origin of the complex metabolism that characterizes life? And third, is the origin of life per se the same thing as the origin of the complex carbon-based life that characterizes life on Earth presently?